No. Come on. Great. You just had to rush in there. That ladder did not attack you. You attacked me and that ladder. Step back, stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back. Nano, stay back! If I tell you to stay back, you should stay back. It's dangerous. Gotta keep going. Oh my god. Nano, where are you now? Oh, okay. How do you keep getting... I keep losing you. Yep, you know what? That's totally... That's understandable. By the way, are you planning on growing, or, like, are you gonna stay a midget this whole time? Sorry, I mean no disrespect, of course. Uh... Good question. Do you think you will grow, or, like... I don't see a lot of little people around, other than the dwarves. You're not a dwarf. You're not even big enough to be a dwarf. Oh, I heard one. I heard one. I heard one. I heard one somewhere. There it is. Found it. You pesky bird. Come on. Finally. Oh, it did. No way. All right, fine. Then this is your bird. Oh, I see you. There you are. You got it? Um, let's see. Should I be the one to send this one so that um the message can come to him? Thanks. Oh, finally. Nano, please. Stop running off. Did he die? Oh. Where? Oh, okay. Phew. Feed him! Give him seeds! Never mind, he doesn't want to eat. That's fine. Okay, I sent my messages. Your turn now. What? Oh, good job. Is it still sitting? I mean, we could test actually if it's sitting or not. Just keep pushing it over the edge. Yeah, no, that's a parrot gone to waste. You right-clicked when it was sitting on the ground. You need to do it when it's still flying. I saw you, and I see the bird, but I don't see a Nano anymore. I heard that. Where the... Oh. Alright, you got the bird. Don't mess it up this time. Careful. I'm scared to hit it. Okay. It's good, it's good. How did I miss every single arrow shot? We should, wrap things up in this jungle. The sooner the better. And once again, I have no clue where she went. I don't know. I don't even know where you are. Oh, there you are. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, let's see how good you are at throwing ender pearls. Don't jump! Oh my...